I was just telling Matt.
There's no way, dude.
Shut the fuck.
Kodak moment. I fucking.
That's not
Huh? Dude, we haven't fucked with you at all.
How the fuck is that my fucking belly?
I'm gonna lick our clips now. You're gonna be jealous. Come on, let's walk this way.
My fucking shirt's wet, my fucking...
Bitch. Seriously.
Get closer, get closer. Jesse,
Jesse.
look at me.
Jesse, turn on the lights. Are you really wet?
Dirty.
Jesse, look
Where
at me.
are the lights at? Is he really wet?
I think he needs some shorts.
Awesome.
Again.
Hey, wait, stop.
No.
Is he really wet? Jesse, are you really
My
wet?
fucking, my boxers are all
Did you
wet.
piss yourself? How did that happen?
Stevie, smell it.
Stevie, get off your knees.
What the fuck are you?
Start crying again.
Jesse, smoke. Jesse, do you really piss yourself?
Dude, if I did, then that's some cold piss.
Is the seat wet?
Jesse, you didn't clean my seat, man.
That's fucked up, man. 'Cause my shirt's all wet.
Shut up. Where's your shirt wet from? Where's the light from in here? Turn on the light from in here.
I don't know what the flash is. 'Cause it's all
There's
up.
no flash.
Jesse, your shirt's not even wet, Jesse.
Jesse, look at me. It's always memories, Jesse. There you go. Jesse, I won't put it on Facebook.
Jesse,
That's just fucking
where's your
funny.
shirt wet from? Your shirt's not
All my
even
fucking crotch is wet, fool.
Your shirt's not
That's
even wet.
dirty, dog.
Jesse,
My balls are cold. My china's cold.
Jesse, you said your shirt was wet. Your shirt's not even wet. Stand up.
Dog, my fucking...
Stand up.
You piss your pants. What kind of fool are you?
If I piss my pants,
Stand up,
this whole
Jesse.
fucking place gets everywhere.
Stand up, Jesse. Stand up. Let me
That's
see if your
dirty,
shirt's
dog.
wet. Let me see if your shirt's wet. Stand
You
up.
can see if my shit's wet, motherfucker.
Your shirt
I
is
can
not
see
wet.
it.
You said your shirt was wet too. Your shirt's not wet.
It is wet.
Well, yeah, down there where you piss yourself. Smell it. Pick up your shirt and smell it.
Oh,
You fucking. Did you piss
that's
yourself or
not
what?
piss, dog.
What is it then?
Fucking vagina juice.
Dude, you piss your pants.
Nah.
Stevie got on you.
Jesse, stand up, Jesse.
Fuck you. You can see it right here, motherfucker.
I can see it.
We can see it from right there. What's the
That's not
difference?
embarrassing.
You fucking peed yourself.
Fuck y'all, dog.
How do you piss yourself?
Did I
That's
keep
cold,
That's
dude.
funny.
it?
That's funny.
That's nasty.
How long were you asleep for?
Fuck, Stevie was crying the whole time.
It's
he was
fucking
asleep.
3 o'clock. I don't know. Fuck all y'all, dog. This is fucked up.
Stand up, boy.
Dog, that's bullshit, fool.
That's nasty. That's gross.
Dude, I can't wait to tell her when he pissed himself.
Man, you're like 20, 28, 26.
27, alright?
And you're still pissing your pants.
Hey, Rob pissed his pants. He was 40. Well, he's 40 plus.
Yeah, but he probably was like.
You're not Rob, boy.
I was probably
See,
fucked up.
stand up. Let me see.
Dog, that's bullshit.
Check the
fool.
seat. Wait, check the seat. Make sure you didn't piss on the
I
seat.
check the seat.
Hey, wait, if you piss the seat, the reason why I'm saying is so you can get a towel on there. And so the piss won't get
Fuck all
soaked.
y'all, dog. It's fucking... There's shit down there, Wade.
You have a dick and she's everywhere, dude. Doesn't mean it's gonna get on the couch.
Are y'all fucking with me?
He's never kissed
No,
her before, he
bitch.
doesn't know.
You're the one who started talking about pissing yourself.
Did I really piss myself?
Yeah.
You're the one who started saying about pissing yourself, Wade.
That's funny.
How the fuck are we? Why would we say, oh, you pissed yourself, and then we come over here and you start talking about pissing yourself?
Y'all fucking with me?
Nope.
Oh, that's fucked up.
Oh, yeah, way to go. Stevie fucking woke up Brianna. Yeah. Way to go, fucking crying bitch.
Yeah, she's right there.
I cannot go with this.
Stand up, wait. Is the seat wet or no?
No, it's not.
Shut up.
You make Brianna pee yourself, Jesse. Jesse,
No, it's not fucking.
Jesse, look at you make Brianna pee yourself.
She's not naked.
She said, my Leo needs a pamper.
That's why.
Somebody take a picture, but don't get her butt.
Brianna,
Jesse.
It'll be our inside.
Jesse, Mark over here.
Jesse, she took her pamper off. My Leo needs
Jesse,
I'm out of here.
come here, wait. Jesse, come here.